Hello, my name is Patrick, and I'll be your Lilac tutor for today. Okay, so we will be going over 4th grade worksheet. So we'll start with page number 1. So right now all we're gonna do is divide. Okay. So let's try doing number 2. Okay, so we're just gonna divide 210 by 3. Should be pretty simple. So 3 cannot go into 2, so we go to 21. So 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Subtract 21 with 21, that's 0. And then 0 divided by 3 is 0. So what we're trying to teach you right now is that, so basically 0 divided by any number is always 0. Okay? So like for example, number 4. So we're going to do 450 divided by 9. Okay. And then 45 divided by 9 is 5. So write the 5 down there. 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract the 45s. There's 0 and 0. The 0 is brought down. Okay. So 0 divided by 9 is 0, yes. Because 0 divided by any number is always going to be 0. Okay? Hope that cleared up some understanding. I hope that was clear enough for you. Let's try number 9. Okay? So 137 divided by 4. Okay. So 1 cannot be divided by 4, so we go to the next. So we add the next digit, which is 3. So 13 divided by 4. The closest number is 12, and so you do 3 times 4, which is 12. Subtract, bring down the 1. 13 minus 12 is 1, so bring down the 1. 1 divided by 7, and then bring down the 7. Then we do 17 divided by 4. 17 divided by 4, the closest thing is 16. And you can only get 16 by multiplying 4 by 4. So you subtract the 16. That's a 1. Okay, so the quotient is 34. Remainder 1. Okay. Now we're going to go on to the next page. The next page is basically the same thing. All we're going to do is keep on dividing. Let's try going for an easy problem first. So we're going to go with number 6. So 800 divided by 8. Okay. So 8 divided by 8 is obviously 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Subtract the 8s. 0. And then, so what like I said before, 0 divided by any number is 0. Because 0 times 8 is 0. Subtract the 0. Bring down the 0. Bring down this 0. And then 0 divided by 8 is 0. So the answer is 100. Okay, let's try doing number 10. So 305 divided by 3. Okay, 3 can go into 3 one time. 1 times 3 is 3, which is 0. Then bring down this 0. 0 divided by 3 is 0. Subtract the zeros. Okay, bring down the 5. 5 divided by 3, the closest number is 3, so we do 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. Therefore, the answer is 101, remainder 2. Okay, now let's go to the third problem, the third page, which is also just dividing. So let's try doing, okay. Let's try doing number 6. So 40 divided by 6. Okay. So 6 cannot go into 6 cannot go into 4, therefore we extend it to 4D. And then so 40, so what number is closest to, what number is the closest multiple to 6 that's the closest to 40? And that is 36, which is 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. And bring down that, subtract that, that's 4. 4 cannot go into, 6 cannot go into 4, so, and 4 is the remainder. So that's the answer, 6. Oh, that's bad. 6, the remainder of 4. Okay. Next, we're going to, let's do 1 or 2 more problems. Okay. Let's try number 1. So number 1 says, Patty bought 30 cookies to a party. Each of 7 took the same number of cookies. How many cookies are left over? So what we can do, all we need to do is find the remainder, right? The remainder of these cookies. So what we can do is, since there are 30 cookies and 7 kids each took the same amount of cookies, we can just divide it evenly. So 30 divided by 7, the highest multiple of 7, closest to 30 is 4. That's 28, and so 4 times 7 is 28. So subtract these two numbers, and then you get 2. So how many cookies are left over? 2 cookies are left over.